Alright, today guys I'm going to teach you how to change a tire at home yourself by taking the actual tire off the rim. And I'm going to take this tire off, put it on that rim. I've already did that one and those two. But all you need is basically a tire debeater. It's a homemade one I made. And a couple screwdrivers and some soapy water. Alright, I'm going to go set it up. Okay, next step is basically set it up like that. Sometimes you have to stand on it to make sure it goes under. But if you make one of these, you want to put an angle on it so it pushes towards the rim, so it actually pops the bead off. You could do it with 2x4s, but usually it slips and slides off that way. It doesn't really work that well. But I'm going to put some soapy water on around it so it can help slide off easier. Alright, for this part you want to stand on this end, push it in, then you want to get your screwdriver under, and then you can pull the tire up and over like that. Chase it all the way so it pops off. Once you get the tire like this, all you want to do is lift it up, bring it onto the side, and then you stick the screwdriver between here and make sure the tire stays on under this groove right here, and then you just keep prying around it until it pops out. I'll set up the camera and show you guys real quick, but this side's usually harder than the other. This, push it. And then that part's on. Then go like this. Try the edge on, you get the stem, step on it so the tire goes in. Stepping on it until it goes under the bead part for the tire to come off. And then just keep going. Make sure it's under. Too much of a bite. Just keep going. And ta-da, tires on. And just pull it there. And ta-da. And there we go. Fat fives are on. Tires are on, nice and polished, but I'm not going to keep these, they're just to sell, so I bought them for real cheap, polished them, put some tires on them.